guys, welcome to Encantadia. Guys, nakabarong ta kasi it's the Cultural Appreciation Day. And labas sa lahat kami mag-wear ng Filipiniana or Indian attires for the Indians to celebrate our heritage in culture. So before tamu adtong klase, you'll just have to take a look at these booths, for the Indian cultures, Nandaya, and nag-set up pa sila there. And that one. Those pang aesthetic. And nagse-set up pa and stuff. And there's magluto ng food. And then some of us are wearing our barongs and stuff. Basta yan, diba? So magpunta ako ngayon sa aming room. It's for the purpose of may klase kami. Mag-inani may bising nag-klase. I'm taking the stairs and bababa ako to see what's more sa doon. Akong attorney guys, pero baka naman mag-law as third degree. Uy. And maybe later guys, matapos na sila ng setup and then maging maganda na rin tong here na place. And yung doon kasi daw basta it's Cultural Appreciation Day. There's a lot of things. And sa akin favorite vending machine na fogs na talaga nag-brown out. And brown out. The Jura Park is po guys, medyo basa. Because of the rain. Therefore, ayun guys, mababakan talaga ako for the purpose of maglaag. And then ako makapag skincare, sorry for that. And ayun, may RD later hapon for the health assessment. That's for the abdomen. And I don't think if magaganito kami or mag-change back to uniforms. But sige lang, laban. Hinga. Steps pa. And yung room namin is nandoon sa pinaka-last. And the office. Some of the rooms. Pang photoshoot. Ayan. Done up with my class. So we'll have to check dyan sa baba kung anong ganap. And ayun. So may mga tao dyan doon sa park. Doon ba sa doon banda. Taking the downstairs. Medyo bibo dyan banda. So RD muna kami and then we'll do the lag-lag later. It's fucking hot. Grabe ang init. It's fucking hot. Ayun. Doon guys, yung parang stage na may tarpaulin and stuff. Basta guys, labas muna kami ng school because mag-RD muna kami. And ayun. Maybe fucking hot talaga pero talaga init guys. Alas 10 na. And we're gonna do the things we should do. So guys, nag-ilis muna ako ng uniform kasi nga may RLE kami ngayon for the health assessment. So punta tayo doon sa booth for free food and such if meron. So there are a lot of people na nagpipicture expressing their cultural traditions, the things they wear, ganon. So mga boots and stuff. Puno na siya og food, boots and stuff. And for IMD. And magpila rin for the ice cream. Bibo ang paligid. And ayun. Ice cream. Yay! Ice cream. Lunch na po. Fish siya na na breaded and a lot of ketchup and kanin. Second round sa ice cream.
Ako po guys. Salamat.
Actually, dili ko paano kahalang, pero sige lang, laban. Guys, fast forward sa lahat ng mga ginawa ko ngayon for the Cultural Appropriation Day or Appreciation. And for the RD, for the abdomen, okay naman siya so far. And nagabaktas na lang ako ngayon papuntang Abriza because it's almost 10 in the evening. And nag-film ulit kami ng another RD, video RD by the way. Ayun, nandito na kami sa Greenwich. Yeah, Greenwich. Uy, sino gusto maglibre dyan? Bigyan niyo ako. So wala talaga ako naka-video for the past like a lot of hours kasi nga busy for the RD and at the same time pauwi na rin. So I'll just have myself a good dinner. I don't know if may mga kainan na open siguro, but yeah, laban na lang. And yun, we'll just have another class tomorrow sa aming micropara. Both, I know, not lec and lab, just the lab. And at the same time, PE 2. Oo. Na dapat technically wala na sa akin ang PE 2, but due to the changes sa curriculum, I still need to take it, undergo by it. And ayun. Yan, kapoy na ko blackout. Ayun, may nakikita ako doon na eateryhan. Wait, yun, nakikita niyo yun guys, meron. So I'll go there guys and kakain ako ng nice na dinner. Sana may mga ulam pang naiwan para hindi ako luging-lugi. Yun siya oh, may mga nag-eat there. Nasa may Fortune Truck Agro Sales Incorporated na na stall. And 2 weeks na lang final exam. Wala pa ako nag-study, wala pa ako nag-do ng everything, but laban. So, ayun, the usual hotdog na tag 25, bihon na tag 30, and 1 cup of rice, and some water. That's my dinner ngayon. Then guys, done na may mag-eat, so uwi na ako ng condo for, you know. And I'm just have to look. Here, malapit na ako. And here's at Breeza at night, guys. Can I check it out for a while? Magtabok sa ako. This is a Breeza at night. Ngemcore, medyo na siya, wala na siya masyadong lights. And ayun, good thing may cute na scooter and traffic cone. Yeah, so yeah, basically wala na, yun ang yung Xperia. Close na ang Jayco. National Bookstore open pa, pero I guess pa close na rin sila due to it's sobra 10 na, sobra G's. As per Sherwin 2025 char nag-citations. So ayan, mga billboards, BPI. Pagod ako ngayon for today's video and I had a lot of fun because nag-ice cream and such, and yung chicken skin and yung fudgy bar and all the other mga kalingawan. At the same time yung nag-RD, yung ganon. So yeah, I will continue this vlog. This is the part 1. I will not end this vlog just yet because I want to show you everything. Yeah, so part 2 will be depende. So here's the condo and ayun, I will daming mga shit and stuff. Yeah, so laban tayo. Bye-bye na. Tumaba ang mukha ko. Bye na guys.